Welcome to this tutorial on the LiveWebinar live streaming feature. In this particular instance, I'm going to explain to you how you can stream from OBS to LiveWebinar in the next couple of minutes. We'll walk you through how to stream your audio and video from external sources and even use professional cameras and 360 videos for an enhanced experience. To begin, open the Share menu in your LiveWebinar room. This can be found by clicking Open Share menu in the Content window or the plus icon in the upper left of the Content window. From the list of options, select Live Streaming. Once you've selected Live Streaming, you'll see a window with the following options. Server URL. You'll need to paste this URL into your external streaming software. Client key. Paste this client key into your external streaming software. Enable this option if you have a camera that supports 360-degree video streaming. Add source. Click this to add multiple sources with the corresponding client keys. Remove. This option removes the last source that you added, but this is only visible when at least 2 sources are showing. Start streaming. Click this button to begin streaming. Close. Click here to close the live streaming window. Now open your broadcasting software, OBS for short, and click Settings. Select Stream from the menu on the left of the screen. Here you will find 2 fields that correspond to the server URL and the client key from the LiveWebinar live streaming window. Select Custom, copy the server URL and stream key and paste them into the appropriate field in OBS. With OBS configured, add a new scene, then add a new video and/or audio source. Most commonly, you'll add a webcam as a video capture device. In this instance, I will be using the Euro Kiwi Boy camera. Finally, click Start Streaming in OBS. Return to your LiveWebinar room, open the Share menu, select Live Streaming, and click Start Streaming. Your event can have multiple scenes, allowing you to switch between devices seamlessly. To end your stream, simply close the tab in your webinar room or open the Share menu, select Live Streaming, and click Stop Streaming. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and used the LiveWebinar live streaming feature. Do you know something more about OBS? Let us know in the comments below for more tutorial videos and watch this playlist now. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.